gentlemen, and welcome to Dearest Democritus. I'm your host, Democritus. And in this episode, I will be reading questions that y'all guys asked. So, I think it is time for our first letter. Dearest Democritus, what is your greatest contribution to astronomy? Great question. You see, I made up the atomic theory. And in that theory, I stated that all things consist of particles called atoms. These atoms are indestructible, invincible, and always in motion. They are infinite in number and come in different shapes and sizes. I also affirmed that the strength of an object depends on the shape. Did you know that fire is sharp, like scissors? Liquid is round and takes up the shape of its container. And also, clay is like a puzzle piece. Alright, well I think it's time for the next letter. Dearest Democritus, what was the four concepts that Aristotle believed all substances were made out of? Well, why don't you ask him yourself? Give it up for Aristotle!
Hey guys, what's up? Hey.
Well, Aristotle, why don't you tell the viewers what they'd like to know?
I guess. I came up with that fire, water, air, and earth made up everything. I taught my beliefs. Everybody thought I was right, because, you know, I was. I taught Alexander the Great. Explains why I'm so great.
Go on.
I came up with a scientific method. Oh, and that is you ask a question, you form a hypothesis, you do the experiment, because you kind of have to do the experiment. You analyze your data, and you form a conclusion. And then I invented causality, and that explained why everything happened. And then I believe, well, everybody else did too, but I believed that I was the smartest person to ever walk on the planet.
Oh, what confused people. Okay, next letter. Dearest Democritus. Let's see. Oh, what was the purpose of the Bohr model? Well, looks like it's time to introduce our next guest. Give it up for Bohr! All right, Bohr, why don't you tell the viewers what they were begging to know?
Well, I proposed that energy levels of electrons are discrete and the electrons revolve in stable orbits around the atomic nucleus, but can jump around from one level to another.
Oh, nice to know, nice to know. What do you think?
No comment.
Oh, wow.
I even made the first atomic bomb.
That was great, wasn't it?
Pretty
It just blew your mind.
Pretty
You get it? But,
Ha 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 ha, moving on. All right, next letter. Dearest Democritus, why did Joseph John Thomson use dessert in his models? Sign Team Aristotle.
yeah, son.
I guess we could have left that part out. Okay, everyone please give a warm welcome for our last guest, Joseph John Thomson.
You can call me Thompson, JJ Thompson.
Oh, nice to know. All right, Thomson, please tell us about your energy.
Yeah, Puddin', tell us. Alright, so you see, I discovered the electron not too long ago, in 1897. It is a particle that is way lighter than the hydrogen atom. I call my model the plum pudding model, also known as the blueberry muffin model or the chocolate chip cookie model. The pudding represents positive charges and the blueberries represent negatively charged atoms. In this case, the pudding is peanut butter and the blueberries are cereal.
So your best idea is food. Okay. Well,
Y'all got mine good one, old man.
yeah, all right. Well, looks like that's all we have time for today. Join us next time on Dearest Democritus, when we will be guest starring my best friends, Bill Nye the Science Guy and Coach LeGroux. See you later.